In the next 12 hours, Cardano is changing forever. Finally, after years and years, the smart contracts are going to be deployed. So we have to check out what's going to happen to Cardano after this huge launch. Basically today at the 12th of September, Cardano is releasing the smart contracts, and just because these people are ready to see massive amounts of increase to the coin here. So let's check out everything that's been happening to this coin and what will happen after launch, and should you buy the coin before the launch happens. So keep our coin market cap, as you can see already we have 66% more volume than before. So we already have the volume, so people are already interested into the coin, people are already buying the coin here. You can just see, like I said, 66% is a lot of percentage here. 9% increase for the whole market cap in the last, like I said, 24 hours, which is pretty cool to see, of course. And you can see the price still trying to go up. We're gonna do some in-depth price analysis pretty soon here. 1.4 million watches, of course, huge number here, but let's go. It says here, Cardano's big Alonzo upgrade will bring programmability to the blockchain. According to founder Charles Hoskinson, he's going to wear a Ghostbusters costume to mark the occasion. So it says here, the Alonzo upgrade will mean the Cardano network will be able to support applications like smart contracts. Cardano will gain a bigger foothold in the world of decentralized finance, competing with Ethereum. Founder Charles Hoskinson says he will wear a Ghostbuster costume to mark the launch. So actually, I just want to read that part here, saying this is a big step forward for a network that for years since it launched in 2017 was pillared as a ghost chain. Crypto slang to describe a blockchain worth billions that ultimately has very little in the way of actual utilization. So then Hoskinson says here, it will be a fun day, everybody used to call us the ghost chain. And I bought the Ghostbusters uniform, so come September 12th, I'll be wearing it and we'll have some fun. There you go. So pretty awesome to see here. So maybe we're gonna see a live stream from him. If we do see a live stream from him, it's gonna be amazing. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty interesting if he does wear that Ghostbusters suit. Also, a nice post here saying Cardano cryptocurrency could become the most valuable in the cyber world. Saying here the currency is advantageous for being environmentally sustainable. So when Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced that the company would stop accepting Bitcoin payments, more than $250 billion was wiped from the global cryptocurrency market. However, Cardano survived because of the blockchain protocol, which is based on a proof of stake and not proof of work. So what's been happening here, if you didn't know, the businesses, a lot of big corporations are looking to go green. So they're looking for companies to have like renewable energy. So if those huge companies start to adopt like crypto coins, they're of course going to use the coins that have like eco-friendly manners, and Cardano here is that coin for you. So there's a chance that basically huge companies are going to start to use Cardano because of the eco-friendly nature of Cardano. So Charles Hoskinson, founder of Cardano, estimated that his network used less power than 0.01% of the Bitcoin network, potentially increasing the energy efficiency of a proof-of-work system like today's leaders by more than 4 million. So there you go. Look at this huge stats. Like, this is just amazing to see, like, why other companies should choose Cardano instead of Bitcoin to invest into. ADA could compete with Amazon, Facebook, and Netflix. According to the platform's forum, the potential of Cardano could be compared in the future with companies such as Amazon, Facebook, and Netflix. So Cardano aims to become a global financial computer. So it is here for all people who could use decentralized currency to create decentralized services. This is it here. So decentralized services, this is the key word that's gonna change like basically the world, crypto itself. So it's already here. Like, we have those kind of things here, but Cardano now has the funds to actually utilize this, and probably gonna invest a lot of money into people just creating the apps. So we're gonna see. It says here, look at the price of ADA be in a few years. Cardano could have a similar capitalization to that of the technological giants, says the platform. So yeah, that's about it. We're gonna see what's gonna happen here. I'm super excited for the Cardano launch. Like, good things are happening for now. We are seeing that pattern where we should be able to break through and continue to go up. Like, if we do exactly measure it, it should be something like this, where we just see the longest wick. We take the longest wick from here, actually, from here to here. This is how much it should be able to increase. So if you look at it that way, we should be able to increase from $3.4. Let's just put it here. I'm not sure that's going to go to 3.4, but at least 3.2, that is pretty much possible, but we're gonna see. we're gonna see what's gonna happen here pretty soon to Cardano. As you can see, we've been seeing some increase here, so a lot of increase. So we did dump down all the way to $2, but now we're gradually going up and reaching all the way back to 2.7, actually $2.8, which is an amazing level. Now I have been seeing a new graph forming here, which is pretty interesting, and that is a triangle here. So if we do just place this line here, basically we could be able to make a pretty nice triangle here that just indicates that there is a chance that Cardano here will be breaking to the top side. Now the thing is, as you can see, we already got rejected at this level. Now why are we getting rejected? Because people are waiting for the smart contracts. Now as you can see here, hitting this level, like hitting this line here, going up, hitting it again, so pretty much we're getting higher lows. So the selling power basically losing here, so we're getting less and less selling power, but we're still getting rejected at this level. But it should indicate that basically we are going up. Now how do we know that? Another huge indicator that this is a pattern where we're gonna break the top side is basically because of the volume. So as you can see here, as you look at the volume, we're having less and less buying volume here. You can just see that the volume here is still going down. It's just a huge indicator that, okay, people are getting ready to actually purchase once it does break through. So it has to break through to this level. So 2.8 has to be destroyed. Once it is, we're gonna go up. We're gonna have a retest first, and then hopefully we're gonna just explode and continue to go up. Now what is the target? Of course we should be able to get past the all-time high. That's gonna be $3. So if we want to reach the all-time high at $3, you have to increase basically by 17%. Can we increase by 17%? Yes, of course, like because of these smart contracts, of course we can do that. Can we go even more? I think we're gonna need to go even more, because a lot of people are estimating that by the end of this bull run, Cardano is going to hit between $8 and $12. Of course, it all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin does continue to go up, stabilize and everything, then there's a chance that the Cardano here will continue to go up also. Now, as you can see here, this is a bearish cross. So this indicates that the coin still will continue to go down. Now, as you can see, we did go down. In the end, we did go down, but we're pretty close to make that bullish cross, which is just amazing to see. This is what I'm telling you guys, that it's going to be a perfect launch. So once we do hit this level and we do get past it, we're going to automatically make a bullish cross here, which is going to indicate that this coin will continue to go up. Now, of course, if you actually go to the one-day chart, it's a huge difference, because at the one-day chart, we never did make that cross. So at the one-day chart, we're still in that bullish cross. So if you didn't know, every single time these two do cross, it just indicates if you should buy and sell. So this like is the bullish cross. You should have bought in this area, and because we are still in that bullish cross, you still didn't need to sell at all. So if you bought in this area, basically somewhere around here, if you do continue, basically to sold the coin here for 112% increase, or like at the dip here for 40%, all depends. But you don't even have to sell a lot, because we're not seeing that bearish cross yet. So what's happening here at the one day, it's really actually good, because you can just see the 55 just touching this graph for safety. It's just a huge and beautiful sign here that the 55 is just hitting the graph here. It's just stabilizing at the graph, and basically the graph is just bouncing off of the 55 and trying to continue to go up. So huge and beautiful and good indicator for this coin right now. It just shows you that yes, we are going to explode. This coin will be able to continue to go up. So how much can we actually go up? Well, if we take the Fibonacci, if we place it from here to here, we can actually see that this coin can actually reach all the way to 3.2. So 3.2 actually 25. That's around that area. At least that's what the Fibonacci tells us. That's the next target here. So can we hit that number? I think it's pretty much possible for us to, once the smart contracts are released, for us to hit that number. Now also do remember that people have been waiting this for years and years, so there is a chance that a lot of people will sell the coin just because of that. People who've been holding for years, or maybe they're gonna, just like I said, they're gonna wait for $12. I think the people who've been holding for years gonna wait for those $8 to $12. The people who bought like this dip here are 100% going to sell at the peak of this run that's gonna happen right now. Basically, people who bought in this area, of course, are gonna sell the coin for profit at like 60% increase or something like that. So do remember that if you're seeing a huge pullback, that's pretty normal, because people are waiting for this. People are going to use this opportunity to make a ton of profit, and that's it. Because a lot of people just know the Cardano will go up. So this is why we're seeing 60 yeah, 68% increase in the volume. So somebody invested a lot of money, like a lot of people invested a lot of money right before the smart contracts deployment. And basically, just because that, they're basically playing the game where they wanted to just sell for like 50% profit and just take a ton of profit. That's it. Like invest millions here in this. You can just see how much buying volume. So we did have like a selling volume, but if you do look at here, this level, look at this, boom. 25% increase in just 4 hours. It should mean that this coin, a lot of people did buy it, and that's it. So like billions and billions of dollars that happened in this area, of course, in this area also, just indicates you that people are buying, like people are ready to just sell the coin when it does reach this level. Or of course, we have a lot of investors who just wanted to buy the dip here. Once they do buy the dip, they're of course gonna wait for $8 to $12. Of course, we have a long way to go, but I think like Cardano here has like experienced programmers who are going to launch the dApps, who are going to start to use Cardano's blockchain to start to use dApps. And once they do, once we have a ton of utility here for Cardano, Cardano could become something like Ethereum or even past Ethereum right now. And that's just an amazing thing that could happen, because Cardano without like too much utility is already at 84 billion market cap. So once we get that utility, imagine what could happen to this market cap. Like there is a chance that this coin should be able to quadruple even this market cap right now, which is, like I said, it's going to mean that this coin should be able to go to some higher values, like those $8. So if that happens, it's gonna be amazing here for Cardano. So this is what I think will happen. At least we're gonna reach like 3.2, maybe even more, all depends. But for now, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. But do expect that pullback to happen. So if you're seeing that people are selling, it's because they bought the dip here, they want to take the 50% profit, they invested a lot of money, because Cardano is a coin that you should be able to invest in like basically millions and millions of dollars. Imagine like if you invest like $10 million into Cardano at this dip here, basically if you sold at this level here, you'll be getting like 5 million more, which is just insane to think about. And I believe that a lot of institutional investors did actually pull this move and are going to sell just because of that. So do be aware of that. And yeah, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to buy these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me. If you can like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.